Guys, may we listen to Queen Rita about Iyeki brother, not be small woto. Oyamona listen to the video. I beg make una me subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video.
See, okay, not be this. Not be this. Alors, genre, quand son temps, they'll do a short video. They'll bring up con. Ah, ça le voit, il va guier. So, obligé ko bete wana hina no wayo bobi bio bibire wo you kine be go dena. All of them don't give me a story. A man we near where no, I say diabetes. When that diabetes newly start, just like Okbeka said, you say you don't get paper. Maybe mammy be ya with me, Okbeko better. Man stand there, we bono it ye betri to no quality no trito vision. I always saga online boy na kidu wow. A boy and another wow we can weje when we work beneve we bo. Ko bete. Common hand for evil. O visuel na una rewebo, o visuel na home. No, I am like social media. Do you know what the eye is? The medical we call it they will call it the windows of the world. The window to the world. Now they call eye. Una are social media fear saga kwa with different people. O visuel. Ona agwale a problem to a solution. Ona le fowa. Everybody na le for mami be. Ona ale le different hospital here okay doru. The cataract or la. This is what they call the disadvantage of diabetes. You know, sugar, like glucose getting too much or blood pressure, high blood pressure, I don't know, getting too much, affecting the vessels of the retina. Like destroy this eye. So where social media with sagakwa. What are you sagaring? Who are you sagaring? Even we sagarwa. Ivisionarwa, wegbinarwa, arwa regbeni akere. Anye oro. Oh, when you are miarwa, wegbe ati wa be here bami ave mi anye ori la diabu we. Eh? They will see anye o carry come for inside we be so na vengi ho ebe. Then gweje na nga anye o we kawa. Ku bete. Una are UK. Una rwa we vanya hungure we bo visuwe no agwale solution. What is social media? Every day running out online to come and talk rubbish. Even na mudia ya unu vision. Aya yo bo gbewe. Avec the David Diamond ori Nigeria mu le na ya evaye via o nya mu Diamond ye fi moto. Ari yo vision we here young boy. If to say na only that one, there's nothing. Meti regard the bomb having gweji. Remember like Evan is I don't like useless people. Yeah, people where they talky, we don't get nothing better thing to talk about. No, they know your bug where we give you no vision. Il est les zuri. I'm here social media. You go through away social media for me. You have your way you turn visual. Every 2 minutes, why you fear the time you are supposed to listen to your own brother, he was basically listening to different social media presenters. That is why you know they value you. You know what they tell them for inside that church with them. Anytime we all of the tell and say, bra, do you work with the Rua Unyana? Ovijwe atalo social media no ye gaka do. Awo ma kan o we oda fun la ke iberi o we ge ni abi ni engineer ma se jin e fi pa mo gbin yen ma din ragmo so omo do da fun yen la ke iberi o this oda fun e problem with e problem ro be ni engineer sa bo anybody that already or you see so useless. Only one we amule le gbele le different part we are sorting here with different place. If I know how to work, man, I see what I know. After you work, man, with me, or you know, you are normally, yeah. As if they use matter, the chop up my comments that day, or you know, go away, you see, it's a pity, darling. No, we just very not ilawa. Una go for the use artists, they laugh me till they go. Now say your sister they here, now so they look for paper, they go. Agboma man, they will go work all over social media. Now see the thing be like we both are. Okpa no be the mudia neya. Atana. Manire we bogwa leve na ya tota Africa e. O paki inu e manu hin la we be rock ba ne life nya yezo. No ruwa o. Me be. What do you know? If I government Where are you? Didi. Didi. Go and bring me, open my school bag. Bring one of my tissue, Taschen tissue. That. You say, I'm really pitying that his brother for real. Taschen tissue in my school bag. Bring it. For real. It just happened. She have a demonic sister. He have a demonic sister. I'm telling you. When the boy nothing was say. How? Obviously, I tell social media no. Almighty who can roll. Who can win. Anybody know what woman am so to win? We my Lara bomba. Just tell me people to say na young person, not to talk of the David one. Anybody know what woman what maso to win no rag mo you wo. Ekeniwe ana mu he yo to wo we fi oni ama mania emi bo eti wo. Ya na ogba na won ihu ye tese mo ba mai wo ma na ma wo. Na de one gift to make it dey do. Arwa wo. Arwa wo ri bege ne kia ya pagbe. Ile o ene ogme so. Wetin arwa wo wan see we go make it prick stand. They say men are moved by what they see. How you want to work money hold on for one? Not be hard to take the work. This one is a very important part of a human life. Your hand not the work, you don't do anything. At least you can see observation what is going on around you. As beautiful as this world. When you laugh in our mouth, seven agmona mouth say. O visual or UK, a dege. UK now the what you are. Who just dey inside some better pass? If to say that Nigeria, your brother see they for never blind. I know say no be she bring and come. Me just dey talk. Say no be to get plenty brothers abroad. That one come. Wetin he still do that one? A thief we go thief. Oji ma Evanoja oje niere. If you rise and say yakwa again in a man, say na joke say we just dey do saga. No be saga. That one just thief. He go oga episode oga him we kuselu. Ona wa do em. Ona big igem igbo igye do ona gbe as ona ya lela UK. He reach UK go blind. But he who over he raba. I know say no be she carry the boy come. Even the boy they talk he go say, "Oh my even yalla we boy you marry." Bagi raba. Go better. Before your brother blind, ray a webu. You know, come for social media. No, yes, 6 months you have to deal with the lobby. No, me solution or all. If to say the operation I get what will we do fast? There are many therapy possibilities to rectify that thing, especially when the person is still young. Very plenty. You don't get paper. But when a person stand, cash come out, they go operate for abroad. I came when I Nigeria and the operation where we go. I call it Yarwao. You think it does not think all those things? I'm on my yao, you're there. When you go to social media before you go fish up now, I want to stand for your brother. If they ask for 15,000 euro, they want to do operation for them for UK. You will they beg money for social media, so when no my TD you want fees contract on board. When no my team win now, you want to show for social media that you are okay. Look at the things around you. Now they talk. So here I am, man, on Mudia Coman. Do you bug bewe? Or where go where you bug beweji? Because you might not like UK. It's still enter that UK for you to be able to stand with her him. Document non de mi ame mu egba no mu diave na ovije no wo ovije no we o awo eni oke do ya bege video ni wana gi anywhere look me look bush at least or to here you here when you go me no live igbo pressure. You know how much of my money because sickness dey come na human being we be all this where you complain to say e salo ba da yagbon ma take about that diabetes say all this where the same thing go better. All these are signs for you to change. Young boy. We don't know what FG said. They go there. E beg who have no getting say. I won't hear you ban or who they want no alone. Especially where 4 o'clock it will wear. The way it the sweet me. When we sweet is say. Man, where they look inside woman, eye koro, go they look you, go to give you the koni, he go to give you the awoli wallo, he go to give you the eye corner, he go to use eye corner until they look you like this, your clitoris, oga move. Oh my, ye move, yege. Ama, when I beg, oma. Go betutu. Go betutu. Go betutu. It's a pity. Why you roba? As a senior sister or a junior sister? Mommy junior sister no pity no deal. Social media now 16 years ago. Where's the record? Ememe, Italo, Igmina, Ezo, Idinju Ware Anado Yak Boloto. Where to your bog bebe with an hour you boni bijimi. Umave you bonu ya moya la we boya to be ya viri, mi ameve umave yeti support. Menon mure na support na mudia bati. Na you bog be we. Amami you bog be we nania. That's why somebody like you can never intimidate me. Walk with him. You know you vision make it be wa. Ma wa ogba le ran le ri. Ah we be o. Ah wo no na o vision me. Shift. O vision we anfa. No go meri e we dai. Azuru ni ari mu le ni huwa. Odo ba me we bo shift. Ni demonstrate senior system awe. Kaga o mari ni o vie document mo bo ne ve gbe we. Before all of una do come for social media. Your brother still there for you. They are still looking for documents. Jama marriage is 3 years, or the Jama passport or die. Happy birthday, Sam Wrong. How are you? Happy birthday to you. Jama. If you marry Jama, it's 3 years passport. You go hold on. A ballet passport. If you can't wait, come meet you for abroad yesterday. Then be that one. Now me can go say, sister, leave that one. What these people say? They just they talk. All this one we don't know how to arrange their life. All this one we don't know anything. Senior sister knows who are junior sister we don't know is here. Remember yourself to compare me. But you bug be well, boy. Hey, well you bug be well. We do wow. You bug well. Like no fun we fin agodo. Get brother away blind. Na in the saga your old daddy. I am telling you, my power be a wants to the sea. It's the one even know what your master on the day when you the day I win when I were married. Igbamomo you oh you here still look back over here. We die you the joy if you be vanya we when we are I say. Eh, suffer your big bubble can darling. It's suffer put oh. It's suffer put. Take care of wife, take care of children. Train now for everything we define. Primary you way you compa. Not born for different people. So I hold the joy is come where you boy bariba. Or je where. Or magia where you are on your own. Better begging me. When it your mama your mess anyway. Or why you beg from we yege. Where man I learn how you come and call you a bo. Old trailer driver and I in view. If you are not careful, can impregnate you. Or you wear a movie. Etiama. Ogi wa here man ayesika skonga dam we wo flat wo ye belle you bo wa mu here. Aga gi o agbo be mi ga gi o nya etiama makonu. That's all we be. Are you getting me? Oh yeah. But you go dey laugh for social media. See, papa oh, if papa can't be like this, better marwa oh. He's not a blind man. Thank you, my sweet daughter. I better advise them. It's a beautiful charity with our accomplishments. I'm telling you. It whole Jama ballet now you hope for one that's with the talk so now better sister carry and come not be renewable 3 years or while you marry passport to your boy or marry or the Jama marry certificate in born standards and Guinness you now the talkie where they do all those things I don't use and brag for now for social media no Mary bragging area what the shock over the dog I know the bragging matter I'm not a beggar. Bragi on social media tokolo et lui a fait que nous mon calé a fait quoi de souhait rock bagba ovijime no comment for social media you don't go to see me agwalebe na ya we operation He get diabetes, this thing where one blind the eye. Maybe money where they take that one and go reach 15,000 pounds. You come to talk for social media now. Yeah, now you are not using your brother to make money online. To say he was having challenge, make people come here. The challenge you might teach your but nah! If I think about it, I will do like this. Oh, salut bois. We know I can't wear any way I would have wear it. The challenge that you cannot stand to prove. What are you working with? Do I watch you when you are operating. What do you know the one and therefore? If to say now really this thing. I know say now like you the blue. What you need it for? One need the age bet. If you don't have humanity inside your family, and you want to get humanity for yourself. To show that you are a beggar and you are really a person without one cent. People they carry their parents come from abroad. We have operation for them. We big 5,000-10,000 euro. Now then they pay. Boy, how will you born? Oh, that time, what will you say? With my brother, when they say they want operating for abroad that day, you know, Asia. I tell all of them, they say, brother go oko, he brother go oko, he brother go oko. Yes, so, all these boys, where you can't fuck up when you fuck up for my family. So, go they say, okay, no, whether you may, you go do you the same thing, go prison. Why not? You go do you. You go, you bet your last for your mama body. If he catch you for being, unless he not catch you, or they don't know say you did being. If they know say you did being, even though say now it's land, they will try you. I try to tell you, so they don't mind me, they don't go prison. Eh, honey, I was there. I are in Latin. Now money they talk. I've been in Nigeria. Oh, what Latin? What way you been away for no reason? He go beat you for free. Oh, no, I can't go for free. They play. He go beat you for free. Oh, no, I can't go for free. Or remove a jaw away for free. Or dislocate a jaw away for free. You can say police, if you even get the money to do jaga, no problem. Police not there your own for Nigeria. If you get the money to do jaga, you will see no say money go the two wo. Anyway, money you yag money, money you jotoni. No because they talk on social media they do a irrelevant competition. Some of them when I get back from brother and sister we enter, they don't feel come out for day. Or go all ladin. I'm be saying a joke. He come out today as I say big boy. They run around. You know, come massive one. Periscope. If to say na some phone, you have to why we all we ba. Now say you go cook. Now say you go prison. Eh, if you say na so, but no problem. You see, Anna, see your own brother just get some challenge. Now, matter to the well at oh, give me millions, sort or three. Millions, sort or three. George White, go they run up and down. Now, George will call the tell you, say, good money, man. You say, how are you, Mr. Judge? You say, I'm fine. Who they follow you do case, they make math for that side. Judge, they carry money, they tell you good money, man. Ah, no, not be say, you want consider, say, you want to follow one person, they do competition for social media, where you never bath. Or thing when oppression, I enjoy it. No other thing. Oppression. From them, when you know, you never see person where they stand. They go say, you go stand, that your husband go stand, now carry and go Indian. Our oppression are over Indian. Now not they do the right information. Now go they go fake account, they look for how now want to drop people go back for social media. Now they look for the right information. Look for the right information. Now go carry and come out for inside that UK, even without paper. Oh yeah, Indian. Ovige no kan. Ovige when you on Indian oppression ya, we are war any wa very fine. Ogboma wa na beg no narwa. That is the biggest of hate and punishment. No receive it the name. My fans they bring all of that. You see, and I just open my WhatsApp to show you. Don't tell your brother they inside there the ulu. That's why when you be talking online, just be Momo. On a normal three job on Ovige. On a normal three job on Ovige. No matter we you bonovije wa bragging online bragi brako beterie bragging you turn face reality. Man, We advance in the age. Drop bragging, make you face reality. This I mean, you go. Sumo one now will be safe for inside your house. What you could do? You cannot even do it for yourself. If you come out online, if you're not shame, say your brother want to do operation. You see people who would have helped you, but the real problem already when you wait. I told you before, until you start to learn how to use your personal problem. Until you cry, come out now, say you don't get washing machine, they help your life. Be crying your real problem. So that people go know the reason why your body be the pepper rich like that. If to say you cry online that time to say your brother want to do operation, people would have supported you. You can't they hide down. 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 Face people on. They don't follow people on. Breaking no see quatalo. Breaking no see quatalo. Breaking no see quayame. Breaking no see guenemi. Breaking no see guasa. Breaking no see selu. Breaking no see quada with me. What do you want to do? Every time I say, oh, we joue na wow. What do you say? You have a bit of your mind. A young boy, no ye need dow. Ebe go de. E diamano we how ya lele do ya wo ele dian ya le dian. I will know ya me o kwiti lane. Now you take the pass use everywhere they go. The gift that anything can ever buy for anybody in this life. Which is hurting in an ruin. That is what everybody need to. A hurt in here, one need good hate. Your brother was there in UK looking for help on how to operate his eyes and get money to survive himself. Now you're born in no visual. Now the total is social media so what we secretive we are here a secret in red dark where you would do. Say our roof how you make glass you are not carrying to go and chop free food in different parties. For what? Again, I am the one mammy away. What true is Sagaro in social media? You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at the other presenters you are talking to. Don't beg you go Vigianwa way. Erianwa way. Vigianwa way. Or Tianwa way. Or Hono why great grandfather Yamewa. Eya via Honyangu to go to. Walk back the young boy no Ruaoji. If to say na even woman, I will know man. We still need no ya beg way. Men way before congee go disturb me for 1 week, they don't they color for brain. Because that their congee way they if you don't come out here, no go they stand well for them. They will they run brain. Congee, you don't say congee they worry man. Not to talk of that your brother congee now do ya him in a mind. People who are church member, they give money to go to church. You hear church, all of them, they will give them. This one will say, brother, how do you take? The other one will say, brother, how do you take? Even this good mama, God's time we did it. Every time they tell me, go see, give her money. Sometimes 20 euro per me 20 euro now. See, I will pay me 20 euro. Mama, God's time, I like, a fan, what do you go no visual with church? I don't know visual no more here. Somebody say, if I were Monica, I will look for money to do my brother eyes instead of buying good. Monica don't have sense should. I'm telling you, my darling people. It's a shame. Heavy shame, my darling. All these things are what this girl was trying to cover. As she tried cover and she not cover. You have a personal life family that is heavily troubling you. A problem you know can we face. You are not facing it. You they face people on social media. You dey face people on social media. Wait, be say this your own. He dey ground heavily. Queen, stop comparing yourself to them. Your own is action and talk less. Exactly. My own answer, I know they talk, not be to talk. Now action. You will just say, "Ave where you are in there, don't be talking about a lot. Ya go. Ave ya huneni go adien da ye wo men watching machine wo wa. Adien de ba ye be gba manu adien de problem igbarangbari. How can you say you are living abroad? You don't see money go take operate that your brother are. You not allow that boy to blind. Young man like that. Baba Bruce. Now, if you work, put your hand down for UK. You don't get document, you can pay for it for cash. If insurance not pay, put you pay. He's not taking free healthcare because he don't get the paper away. They don't give a paper because of blindness now. Because it's not a blind man, a disabled person. Definitely they will give him so that he can be receiving treatment. But that operation, they don't go let do insurance, they don't get paper. But if to say in Germany, yeah, maybe they for help. Social people for come together because he's still young. To just allow that it's not something that it's an acquired kind of disease. It was not something that he was born with. He wasn't born with it. He was not born with it. It's something that can be done, that can be rectified. You know how many people they tell your brother church we don't talk to me. A document of what you very documents. Yan we no yari worry. Na so they go doctor go wrong, go here wrong, go social wrong, go there wrong, go there. Mami yobo. I will be na ruyon. All this time we will talk. So you dey social media they make math every day. What are they gbe? Wahwe mani mahwe here. Wahwe di you what here only you want cash everybody. It's sandan on this mighty way. And that time you was talking to your brother. What happened if you really had that money to bring it out to go and use to help your brother with operation? Why you beg when you go na your operation or oblige me? You know say, what can live in that day? Talk rubbish. Oblige wow. That one way do we do knows like 10 people one way knows big where they I don't know where it did. You say when I go they call now oblige wow. Come, you. Let me quickly give you this message now. I don't know who you are, but they say now one woman way knows big. I don't know who you be. If you don't say now you be, now you get the big news. Come and reply me. I don't really know who you are. So they say the woman, he come and say you wait. They say oh visual wow. Person when you they say now wow, you feel stand with her. In what area have you stood with him before? Which company to offer for work? I want you to own your video. Come and explain to me how a blind man can be useful than you that have your 2 eyes. You now with your big nose and your 2 eyes that are working. Come and tell me how that blind man is more useful than you. That's what you are trying to explain. That blind man who does not walk, who does not have anybody around him, that one that church members are giving 2 cents to feed, is more useful than you with 2 eyes. It's more enjoying life than you that is seeing everywhere. A blind man that cannot see is enjoying life than you that have the eyes to see. Come and explain, then I will help you analyze. You see in our life? Tomorrow you guys are coming to say the same thing. Somebody say, why she not ask for donation for her brother? Look at. That would have been the best donation ever that she have ever asked for. But now, even if you do one, the eye is already blind. It's just to give her small for inside. Say, okay, take. Yeah, don't blind it, don't blind. The brother, they always tell them for church. They use that thing to stop that mountain. When they come tell them, say, they know they talk about this guy in 1 year. You feel beg to the feed man we get eye. You don't feel tell me walk. Even add them to join your brother to help your brother's situation. Your husband would have walked. But a lot of women begin to give it do. You walk back with time. A joke. Any of my brother non blind. You don't happy, man. Nine cause we be say no they use the matter play. But to now on go they take the suffer they give man way no they walk. Man way they use una do shen through what beg am we go ha beg say we go. No. That your brother would have not blind right now. How are you going to explain? Person way get blind man enter social media they say he was blind because he have this challenge, he was having the other challenge. We never agreed to one day. You are not coming to say, that person when you say blind, did you know the work is doing? You know, say I never see blind men. Blind men, then they outside. We they see them. Now stick they take the work. God may go give them one stick. Not being brother they use. But we they take test everywhere for church. I be you want me, I just tell you now, say next Sunday one way bishop go into mama wabi one. Kekokbo, we they do like this everywhere. Now so where it be. Are you a picture they had to ye man? Cool better. If to say na another person get that kind brother, it be your home and if social media, or can you have a salobo and make na sorting no why. But look at you. But so some people will just be like, God, I thank God for already making your life to look like this. A significant mockery. A significant mockery online. I give you all the glory. Any your friend way need that way say one computer and this I know where your twin out go where you here over to share way. I be my darling. Whether positive or negative. If you use me do a glass, like the kind of glass way only worry picking where use me to do. Una see as I put my mouth for that thing. I changed the whole situation. I come better be they cut that woman video to the show. As I can't put this my mind, you know they cut her again, I share it on the share. And I went to the woman one bit that they share and make you promote the page. When they cut the video, make you put your copyright to the show. Oh, hanging at our meta no we not fear me ya with it. I put my mouth take borokito. I know say if I go put an ikbokito, you go only tell and say go fight, but I don't already change the situation. Or feel with it, abioma feel with it, or feel with it. Or ye we abioma we, or magi we. No cut the video again. If they be job break, you go cut them. Oh, I feel what they okay. Could they do fake this they use and collect money? Oh, I'll be like that, darling. Any video? Had the movie talk this thing before. He talked this thing before. She thought say na lie. Now so now that time when the faith of say brother and a blind person. I think he say na lie. That time social media never do. He say na lie. Oh, that time that your brother they hide they go. When your brother come out now they use the mouth. They tell people why you take blind. Why you not come to see help. Now so he tell them all my fans say you know confess in my hand. We mami yobo. He be maro. Again I with the right thing. Mami wa no helping you go ni anu operation pologu. Mami yobo. I will not have money and yeah, I got giving a money. If they see like every other people, if they work and could better now social media, we generally need or my tea with your bonny boy. And that kind one, I want help you can't get problem for yourself. You can't go with that kind of person no fear yourself. And I'm at tea a sagging. Or we joma, uva making, it can sell it USA. O vision of a struggle like we boom, if by self strophe and attack. You see, get problem with eye. You know, fear pan. May you help on you. The social media, they talk people's story every day. And your brother's story was a potential story that would have helped you. Even to today, people would have been proud about it for you to say, this girl stand the social media now so gwale yo bono vision yo mami eri o. But that phone mami eri better so at this way gwale yo bo. He sharp for us to find help. They help this your brother. You know they. You own to just jump into social media, you just talk about. Probably the one with the web one can yam o. On your family, no can wear. Or quite carry the day get my own the day get my own the one get the other one the day get the other one the one get you no get mama again much more you no get papa again much more the only brother where you still get a be I don't know or wild the wire. Yeah. La chiefty boy go do. Chiefty bo. Now that one be saga. It's saga if I don't know ya do. If I didn't anyone in a long time, just imagine, look at. Look at. Now you say, you know where the tell say I break my picking. Then another kind of get ya my bow. You know where the tell say I break my picking. Ya my bow. Good morning, Mama Lizzie. How are you? You know where the tell say I break my picking. Ya my bow. Even when I get my tano. Or see any now with the down my yana soon that way. What you use your eye to see you see through. Who see those children? No say they bleach. Even blind man, ask your brother. Say, the provision when they la carbog even I am bleach ya. He go tell you say no call again now. Why it be like this? Don't they bleach them? Be bleaching you lay yourself. Don't bleach children. You even laughing and live. You see a problem of it. You not supporting you because you own to carry big tongue way. No, they move. I'm when why you bear me one woman born a lay you let it one more for a bottle. Even you bonoje no wet ya epic boy you brokoto. I mean, I destroyed you word. Wet ya you boni boy. Anything no man you destroy, you cannot use it to help yourself. It's not blessed. Your tongues are not anointed. They too know we are anointed. Visual agabego devil na gwana. Yes. If you were having an anointed tongue, your brother would have been seen. A tongue go anywhere where you born. If you don't want to do and finish online, you don't want to make the public. Who go with me? You are too selfish. Selfish, be. And when I lay you let it, lay you and way while lay you all this way. Social media 3 times a day, 4 times, all those things. What you do it for? Eko bete. When they laugh in our simple say, cars where other people they drive, nice struggle. A big good house, everything where other people did. Oh, we was sick, boost energy, nana me we even peace. The Bible said down the kokani. Usenaya devague wala this way. We was any. It's ube no razini ya wagbu where the different Joshua just for food they marry umami boogie. Now that one the tiko just for a mabu boogie. Na so e jori e mabu boogie de wale le fian e wo we gwade egbo janaji. Egbu gbele na gbazin na. E mabu boogie na. Now you say just the suffer this guy suffer. This suffer where you the suffer so. It is in short, your body deserves this kind of suffer for just fufu. For just fufu, and to buy washing machine where you not get all this way, where your mates just get. If you reach out to wash, you pack I see. I don't know the account where I foresee and where all of the pack and they go with the cloth. They salute baba say now wow. Ha, the pack and they go. Or you bought pack of money avec webono do ya and imagine unu me you bought say I don't even know. Even washing machine they all have different settings. Except you go buy washing machine, you don't read the instructions, you don't know the different setting to put it. Even oven where they cook for inside house, oven have different setting. Oven the way it just round reach so oven baking side they read it very well. You see the side for baking, the side for cooking. Sometimes food where you just say gas use how many hours say they cook. Just mix them together. A bow way life is not simple name. Mix am together. Me, I use oven very well. No, man. I dey use oven cook well like Oyibo. Just mix am together. Sometimes I'll be on my reading table. Before I sleep in the night, I'll just prepare food down. If they break in the morning, I'll put on for oven, enter my reading table and sit down. I set the time. If the time just come off oven, bring and come out. Then I'm able. Preparation and organization. A life where you are simple. Why you setting it? How? With all those nyaga where your life your day. When I nyaga be na yas so mighty the job on visual. Ma we job no dion. O dion na se aweru wa o. We bona. Salobo baba. The mother say, and she was right here fighting everyone that didn't fight her. You understand, Mama? When I was on social media, she was fighting the whole world. He could go fight here, fight here, fight here, fight here. His brother, they begin. They look for attention. The brother was looking for help, looking for money to treat himself, looking for where to get money to do operation for. What kind of enjoyment? You that big nose. I am telling you, you that big nose, where carry your big nose, when they say, can you start with that your brother, where if you stand? Can you stand with that your brother? Where if you stand? Where the brother stand put, person where you don't get high. I dash you. May you stand with a blind man. May you stand for where blind man stand. May two of you be rated the same. That person will talk that thing. Where my way do a doctor. There is not going to be a day where Kobete no go use that my blind brother to beat me. They menerita. Any gualimo bogwalimo we service social media. Am I way? I me just carry brother way no they see. I do not be only that one eat it because he not confident to take care of himself again. Eat it all of the coming yaga. Me I go look for whether I'll see the teeth. The teeth of the brother. When that picture, come better job they make on live video, they make yaga. Yana was some a picture na con ya yevin a rakurukutubu. The carry and con give me. Yeah, see amu. You see I can da maybe you see ya. I can da many here. Ko bete. I'm back on it that way no one go around. You not see a lot of set format. I know say now that kind of teeth you carry they go for your husband body sharp. Fear go let person show you that kind of teeth. When the mention now, woman clean, I come clean, make kissy. Not be saying a joke. I be fine woman. I was set. You don't see a lot of set. Off war. Mais on not even the fair. Ah, quand il dey fair like this thing. Like this paper. That's so my husband sits. That's so he beef you put for man. That's why they say kokobiri kokoboga. Can you talk before you will say, sweetie, what kind of set is this? You know, I'm not sick, but there. You don't see Morocco one day. You know they drink. You know they do anything. Set is. How much more say go take appointment? Any bow big. Take appointment for doctor. Go brush it. Where are you going? I'm going to my dentist. So come here. Come here. You need to hear you. Because kissing him, why is it? Ah, why are kissing him? But the day be doing my darling. Because if you be rag banana do. I come better come they say I can dame vesia. Mona see the teeth where they say the dame vesia. Look at. Now you brought that teeth with this audio. The blind man. Now this kind of teeth, now I go better if you open mouth for social media, say I can dame vesia. Say women the Russian with blindness with this kind of teeth for mouth. My brothers, when you they laugh, when you they talk to, when they say this, me, what are your banu? When I forget one, me, I give you another one today. Oh, salut boy. Il bien. This your brother, see, if they just enter abroad today now. All this your brother will be break. Level say charity never get level passive now. Cause you don't owe paper for it. Oh. Yeah, this me. Never get level passive. We dear we go for how many years? Which way we are wild you wire. Cool. Wo honti we be o sala buani rave. E baba. Larry. O bujin ya unan. E mon mousse. E black noir. E jv. Baba! Baba! This one they never seen her before. I know so many girls will be there. Ya do ya ame ya la learning. Can you imagine? I've been here to the moment. I've do ala loviere. I came here with Jamie Akala la loyal Tony. All this abroad women, ne ya beg kia. You return animal lily hona. Be like say we sort of the following effect o vision. Be like say, I understand. The general must say, oh, cool. And what be allow you to, they will begin to lick out for ground. You never see him. Go better now. I can't use the brother that blow like say. I can't damn maybe see I beg yana with papa. Go better yana beat you baby life now. That make me know the wala follow you. I to beat you everywhere. See my husband is cute pass you. Just imagine. Sweet darling. Radidi. Itadi. Ma I kiss you before I see. Before I bring a doctor come out. Be daddy. Now be daddy be this one. Never see this thing. Any evil plan of them. My plan is created. I should go back to so the Jesus name. Amen. My darling. Amen. With your hand in here. See now. See your husband. I beg you. But that phone is gary. No, no worry. I've seen her just now. Can you imagine? CB daddy. CB daddy. Jive, salut bois. Be daddy. See when I understand. Understand. This one, I never seen her before. Now this one shall see you direct. Doctor. Look at. How did you see him, darling? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take picture. I don't give you a new one for social media. Doctor, you see skin. Oh, you're winning him. No bleaching, nothing. Too cute. See him. Yeah. And this one, Charity Senior direct. Look at him. Siana, okay, you have the young man when you are so alone, we are going to fake a pick of a webunania. I put a pick in a decompile. In a queen in the bay of Hoy. You see, sweetness. I must say, for if you have workman or you go to, then you will come to say, I read with Babego the beggar. You hold, you have rule. Na mommy and they do for you. We all of them go they call me. Be mama, tato round, tato doctor, me you VJ. Eja, mon commandi. What the work ya? Come and wa. I'll be pricky want to. I got hear you when because you just know any baking. I make all of the day they say this and that. Hey, you know, see, okay. I want anything beg a black or even a boy, you know, you marry Priscilla there. You see, na so it be. Tell me, yeah. The one where you will just see the elderly one, where just the way be a like big daddy. Make it don't be like yeah. Yo, I know. You don't see sweetness for everywhere. Black skin. They be like my big daddy. Yeah. They be like my big daddy. The way my big daddy just sweet. Black. Juju. A Mario Ikan, no missy, no nicotine, no alcohol, no wine, no nyanga. Unless once in a blue one, we never be wine here yo. Now so all of them be. See family, you know, see my brother. Juju, waki where you tell it to, or say. Eja! Not be here, I go there where we may go they call. Was civision in the Beokin ya. Oh, come and why I just say re. Good morning, Jessica Talk Show, my darling. How you dey? Hey, just say re. Waginya e why dori ya efo. I saw where be. You see? I much more say where you are more well at the accompagn nyanya. Comme c'est à condamner les siens. On a dit, tu sais, et nanone. As you see mama so the way it is franc. Et quand et mon regarde. Oh lo se wo giolo se obie le koto bi ya bi ho. Don't. C'est vrai. Ou say oh wa no no time. If you we go put it laughing one am you say be animal say. You na for see beauty. They say mama we mo say no. He runs the family. Yeah, magba the guy I for it. The guy I for it do. See as he fine. You see as he fine. 36 years old guy na be down. The day we they just see him for you. Where we bring him home here do. Here do this type of man yan the kia. You got we have we can with be. He says he's cute, keep him safe from vultures. You got we have we can with be. They carry go full everywhere. Small boy. Not to talk of their big daddy way just stay inside. Down. Only we are what I will see. Oh, where be, my darling. I'll go there. We are the blow lights for Nigeria. Go see brother. You were there, bro. You don't make money passing. Because he go to a you know here when the side you talk and that they say if you need 10 plot for a workman, come and buy. I'm a village down. We go to a book. Water every day. It's a play road na dia. That's how cute. Not shock you. Don't do. See. Hey. Ah, doctor no. Doctor no give with salad. Hi. Ijitana muse sha. Handsome boys with black. No bleaching. No, they bleach children. Bleaching children is not good. When they grow up, they will not know who they are. Their identity will be missed. I too like black man. Ugly wa black skin. Oh, wa black skin, you know. The way this one job be so. How be around go get a journal. Could they help them? They get probably help them, support them. Let's see how you way. Somebody say, make you give us. Oh, I want. Hey. We me wa yo na yo. Yeah. That time, not be the one where be say, you go from your present blind. Yes, now. That's what this one right from Povio, they call him doctor. No, get why. Doctor. Now they call doctor where they say doctor for life video something. You understand? Or not to gado whereby. If you see her for stand, you say, hey, Mama Rita, I know say very soon all of them will begin to leak their scratch. I don't the so that you have a the screen, you have a la lonia. You where we some of them. You have a la you don't do. You have a la the screen, ya. See, I'm up. See, this one will be the first one. This one a second boy. The first one will come be the big daddy with this. I will be a la balaba. Don't you sit down now height. I saw all of them turn. I told them they fine. Join her. Hey, you cutie, babe. He said, Mama Rita, please make you come marry my sister. She started He said, Mama, not say fish put now. I just the tell fish. I know what they do was selfish yo. Eh. Tomorrow, so that I don't organize women now. Yeah, you walk by who I say, okay, we are here, you know, it's okay, here, my darling. You didn't look at me, I no cry. Ute where there me. I much more say, I'll come open eye, made that person because over Siranero wow. Yeah, you, my bon. I am asking you a question. Yeah, you. We be say, or more of you where you turn on the Simon to you now gabu who you have here. Yeah, tia mama. Just wait, hold on. I know the whole bag if I reach Nigeria. If we more, if I have everything, if we have everything, I need the kiami. They can't be on bid. They need my pricky and I'm more. A pricky then they don't be mumu. Hello, somebody say hi. A pricky name mumu. His job don't know yet you and you him. A pricky when you are they don't be mumu, they don't be a bogolo. In a year, squash, you see, as we say, graduate with degree for hand. I've been a shower with you know, see, they are very cool people. Mena parija balagba. If you talk to me, go say, Mama. All of them say, Mama, you rest. Ah, we they do balamara, we why him, Mama. We balama, sha, Mama. Eh? They will suffer cool on their own. Eh? Et your can have best so that they bien at ye, may have one. What's after the meeting? My prick for everywhere, my darling. They can't ever really. Not be saying I even joke. Eh? The ones who say one can do, you go suffer, see, carry me over, I respect him, because he's genuine respected by him. Much more say you go get brother. Where Timothy and I mean, brother can't do that. You find pass that one. Any of your brother, they will go fit handle. Don't do. Hello. Good morning. How are you? Where are you calling from? From Nigeria. Okay, I hear you. I'm hearing. Eh? Yeah, which one? Which one? Eh? Which one is you said what? Are you not the one that called? What do you want to tell me? Here, do not be. 1 minute, my darling people. Hello. Hello. You say you don't go marry your brother, Mama Rita. Let him come and marry my sister. They get eye for it. No say how they using you. Because I know say they're cute. I know say they go school. Not be illiterate. Your brother will be say illiterate. Irama ya, my darling. Now illiterate all of the be. They no galanty and be wow by a coin mabu. Oye lelime. Say, Wala. This again. I don't know for a way. Say, I call it for Nigeria, Mama. I see your post. Bag of more. A mock back. We be it. Tiens. Hey. Bag of more. Okay, would have barrier. Fine. Hands. Cute. Black. And this guy will be like a so now before we know it, what do I honor? Or year do for more how many years now I could better year do te now so he carry a quick for life video na lalo or we kiani we to get a bonaga onaga lalo na fantasy. This one I really what yari ve kuku. If I gwene gafi. Good morning, mama. Good morning. I want the bleach on our children. Bleaching not good. When guys don't grow up, now you go know say a bleaching man. You see that original do where Africa they create me. Oh God. Oh, that do make sense, darling. That do make sense. See that black skin go do finish. He say, creator, can you introduce him to my sister? No. You didn't why. You may why are you now? You know see as I use a chakara. How much more say the day where you will come and say follow me enter this live video? I know say that all of now will come to rush me. I know. Me. You the do ya you ma was in bed at my soup. Una go come all of una go come they rush me. Now want be my friend. Gonna want shock break. We hands. Una want shock prick. We hands. The one way you want carry and give your sister, you want carry and give her. Mama laugh. Well, my darling, if I send you message, you go. Yes, you go. I'll tell you, say do this one. You know what? I'll suffer they do you like this. Because I be your do my darling. You should sell the tenant be. It made you na be a mondial. So you are ya you ma pege veni coaching ya you. Even charity way they said when they immediately just enter this abroad, they don't green me they where people dey. Fast. My brother say, my husband say, well, which one you want buy for? And take it easy. I say, no. It's so like baby, my own vision is so say, why you no why enjoy what we buna already enjoy why is you say and answer like baby buna. You say and vision me say so any. Imagwa like baby bonnie. I don't want them. More power you move here, ya problem here go. Everybody day I school now we busy all of the dog go their own long time. They even appreciate me say, Mama, you try. And when you marry, when you know me about who don't be soja, don't be soya. Say, Mama, I don't understand you. Which one you don't understand me for inside? I wear was one we can't never na. We be say can't never even come. Where is ye be? Where we go? Why me patient? On any name in a cannon. Say you don't understand me. I wear what we can't never na my dalia. A very big no guy is ye be. You understand, my darling people? It's social young way. I suffer follow them. I don't be like Atwa where they say you know 20 times in social media they do unnecessary competition. No, me I don't be like that. Tell me nah. No near him. The way the other near you. Ha! Sure. Well, I tell my sister say I don't want to. That's why they cry. My brother go say, my husband go say, is he a baby? A day like this, now you just the carry a partition for. I don't want me, my sister. So it goes say, no, me say, gualo. I be yani man, be a dank, yani toge mako. Yan wa toge, banak bari when was way. They will laugh. Or a toge, you are toye with Saha, you the select and which one will talk for. Before you know what it happen, you don't want to a direction left away. I don't want it for my sister. I'm not a senior sister. We don't know yourself. He want me respecting me to be because he want baby. I don't want my husband to say, but take it. I don't want. It's of fact, my own vision is of video. We will be any way. Yeah, what value you don't know the one way you want to take. Now, red I go carry. Now, me be my sister. Immediately, he get one way you know at that time. I will be one tell and say, what? When I open the life of that boy, the way go be the next 10 years, my sister say, really, I say yes. This one, we major the lose. Whoa, the person they come abroad, they be no man, person for the do. You, oh yeah, where you not be say you never born now. You don't forget where you man of Balomo. To say na person where you define picking, you be go look. I bear your mind dinner. I get do a billion to win. We are need the inside enjoyment, soft life. That time you are go come open. Now, what is she saying? She is saying not to this sister. Sabwa bless you, Sabwa bless you, You was really there. You was really all those things. Mama me des fois, even autant. So I can't say non du moi ou da saga to foish. Et moi ou da vije me e bo e pa na negbe man ho rasi me online na gona. For they drag me online. You can't talk like for my body. Talk everything where you don't know anything. How you want a bit? But whether I'm about beg see me see you. You know they don't use mouth. Talk like for your all of the just they rush this moment with they just say. I never see and finish small now just over. You people are not rushing, you see. Now because I'm way business sometimes say I know they not be everything at the show. Sumo now just show so now. I know say some people are quick away be say they for inside there now my phone go food today they all of them go they say Quindita. Mama Rita, they want to come and be my friend. Cause here I am book order you talk. They want Cosma for grant. Now say I say no, my sister, I don't want this kind of thing, I don't want that. That is how it is. If you that sister no any bay, now you would me suppose the that sister not be that sister na fi back boy. How many times you don't see me ready say I go party for this abroad? I'll carry my sister away and get paper for the body. You don't see I want day. I want go party, I can't carry my sister. You never arrange your life. You never do it. I'll carry and say, "La reine give my Riku, and buy a feel look go wood." Obviously, net TV. You have your way before you go even reach where you go. Wait till your mate use 10 years, get you come 30 years to get It's your life where they follow the beg every day. I am telling you, they follow the beg every day. Well, I cause some way you see and say, you poverty or you drink the billion of water. You not get. If to say you not get, not be saying I even joke. Of visual when you're not I remain away. If you don't get money for abroad, away, I'll take you to never work me. Only 100 by 100 now 8 million. Go and ask John Osaki. For that the workman community. 100 by 100 say to me, I'll take you to never work more. Yeah, but we go and we are operation in visual. Not be joke, not be today social media they make math. You want to use math to bring people down. Your math can never work it. Because the things where they your life, you too plenty. Or boom be. Or boom see ekiabooking.com. Abi? Ekiabooking.com. Wait till your body too much. Brother, now wait, be say you go take the heel. You did there. Wow, you are not saying you can't get challenge, you can't get this one. The challenge where you get, and that will be where go. No matter any other challenge, where be say anybody go there for this life. As long as your two eyes are complete, you don't have challenge. As long as you don't get serious head problem, you don't get challenge. Or when we be say you don't get money. What is money, my darling? What is money without hate? What is money without two eyes for it? Yeah, so quite sit down that day now. They describe the way the life of the boy be. I pity. This is something that a sister would have intervened and make it okay. You know, if you intervene, if there's social media, they talk. You say, "But Marita, no could be like that wicked sister in law." I'll be my darling. Every now and then you up and have to if you now look me, this and that, I got a get for Bini. May you real reality me yaro. Investment in investing, baby ram a baby Jimmy. Investment in investing, baby. Any me yaro. All those other one are secondary. Share. Now I want to continue competition. I've been in a kitchen where I don't do long. Wait to be all those one. What they call the reality of life. That's why me and I not be met. I'm telling you. Fair for your parents, but they fair for you. You go one come pull mat. Now you come they you go come they use mat. They try best to polish your thing. I'll just look on. My darling, you failed. If you dare UK with your brother, what excuse are you going to give? Your brother told church members, all of them, how you don't get paper, how they look for help, how they look for people who go happy destiny, they happy life, they go before he blind. See, and I don't carry fake account, come here, come they wash. He's washing with fake account. See, let me show you very well. See, it is where they say, I can that man see have a social media. Which presenter brother go get the kind of for assignment, may get peace. Where you dey? Or you say, I can't dik Malaysia. Look at where. Just look at. No eye, no better teeth for mouth. You are on social media fighting every day. If to say don't be blindness, we come blind now, we they take pity life, give them paper. If you not get paper, if you see the UK undocumented, human investment, exactly. That's what I do. Human investment. The one where they calm person down, it go relax me. The one where they settle me. The one where they give me this confidence and this self-worth. Why did it talk so? See, you say, if before they bring this picture that they come the life for social media, I come that maybe see again. I man around you to. We hear I come you can't say now this kind of person you want kiss. Look, go better you failed. Admit it. I know say they admit and sure. You can't get challenged. Where were you when your brother was having that challenge? Even when they fall in love now, you don't see. Who say your one no. Not be say tell you if you see them, they ain't cool. Now say God, I thank you. See how my brother cute. See how they fine. That one way they say, oh wait, Edioma, we don't old way no fine. Edioma, where you turn out, oh wow. We know you're strong, you say. Oh my coffee our ball. Don't forget saying a trailer driver. We love your wife. Don't me say you go say me you go try. You know see the other one that the way they say they fuck bush inspector. Before we know what they happen, when you have done it to any ram. Now me tell her say a rohian la we ogiwan. We na ya zag wodo. Na ya zag iran zagiri. We not defend her for our family. As that master you dress so, you say you want to go try my mama for that way body. Oh who you egberry. You know me saying I did you be for how many years now, so you know me come for a wiggle, now so this and that. Or less than a papa you won't go time. You say na papas you won't go time, and you can't know. You go the time they want papas. I'm saying the bon. Instead of saying the bon, the guy will challenge where you take. I'm so nice. My darling people, I don't feel laugh. Not be joke. I've been a mat. When they go open mat, when you go see set of teeth, right? Oh, we be you see, when they go smile, you see. I know say if you did like this live video with me now, they just did my 3 brothers now. If I will ball up, they go rush me now. Now me they will come they rush. Now me all of them go they rush. In ya get back home, in ya rush me. In ya rush me. Could it allow? Or twin? Could it tag that female? Because they know say, or all that way. The way we me go take the train na my yagba wo alone. Joy me go buy you. Where be the woman? I not go train. I not the train my brothers with a do ye. No. You see this woman make her a queen. You don't see the way rather do me. Me yeta me boberi over na yawe. Ebo go say no be like. Oh, ebo we ma bege me rather yamu me go say. I can see it. Am I well? He say, can I be your baby sugar boy? I bet shifty. You understand, my darling people? You know, say the orientation when me go give my brother, make it could take arrange a life. No, ya amu here. Woman not the cry for where me dinner. Me via we got on a be and so I go take give my orientation to my brother. When I ya Roma so how they do everything. When I ya early morning kiss here, how they do early morning romance. Sometimes my brother go just laugh for fun. You go say even now you going wala salupwa. Which kind of wala build this one, Jesus of Nazareth? I love what I am to be sister. I do be. Yes, even on my mentality money who hear me. You want to enjoy a woman, know how to be a love player. Yes, so. Worry who you bed me be say the only thing we be say you just the look who are concentrating your vie. You know go even concentrate make you take on the other area. Woman no they come like that too. Woman don't like man way no they romantic. The time I enter the social media, I enter with romance. Ask these people, they will tell you. Those people who follow me those days. I am the mother of romance on this place. I brought romance too. I didn't bring fight here. I didn't bring Igben. I didn't bring Igben. I brought romance. The enjoyment, what makes people really happy. That is the reality of life that makes people really happy. That's the reality of life. The one that, the genuine one. You see, if you are a romantic man, woman must respect you. Please. You don't see the way they respect Rodo. I'm very proud of him because he carried romance. I can't teach him small join now. Can't be say he can't be a professor. Can't be professor inside romance. Some of you don't know at all. You don't know that is what a woman really needs. Now, go way like the way Ambrose they do. I could better I know the nearer. He say we not see Bush inspector again. We actually call enter. That one don't pass us. We don't see. That one say some days ago he come post video. He say he dey party. He come wear gold. He say na because that's what he talk. He say na gold did he wear. The jewelry so he put for year. I get time for his side. Those days I bought it in AliExpress set. I be one post.